Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we simplify tech and make your work life easier. In today's video, we are diving into Access PeopleHR, your go-to HR software for managing employer records, leave requests, payroll, and more. Whether you're an HR professional, a manager, or an employee looking to navigate the platform, we've got you covered. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is basically go to the official website, which is peoplehr.com. From here, you can click the 4-minute demo if you want. But I highly suggest you click the Start Your Free Trial Now. If you click this button right here, you will be forwarded to this section. All you have to do is provide all the information needed, such as your name, company email address, company name, number of employees, and then, of course, click the Submit button and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have successfully created your account, you will receive a welcome email from Access PeopleHR to start your 14 days free trial. Just click this button and it would forward you to the main dashboard. And you will be forwarded to the main interface wherein you have this welcome page. If you want to take a look and watch this short video, you are welcome to do that. But we're not going to do that. I'm going to click in and dive straight to the dashboard. Now, as you may notice, the Me section is going to be your personal dashboard where you can view your details. Right here, your planner, all right? Your personal information right here. You can put in all of the information here if you want later. Your documents, logbook, of course, employment. You can check your profile information, your contacts, and the cases log, all right? But on the bottom part of your Me section is going to be the employees. Now, this section stores all employee records, all right? Now, allowing HR and managers to access employee profiles, contact details right here, the length of service. They can also track the absences and attendance, and of course, manage performance reviews and salary details if you go to the advanced search right here. Now, the documents is something that a centralized place for storing HR-related files, such as, your employee contracts. If you want to add a document, click this button right here. You can get started, upload a new document from your computer, or add a link if you want, and click the Complete section. All right? You can have the company handbooks here, or the performance appraisals and disciplinary records. HR can upload, organize, and manage documents while ensuring compliance with company policies. Now, the task section is something that is going to be assigning HR related tasks like overdue, new tasks, like for example, onboarding steps, compliance training. You can also track the pending and completed tasks right here. All right. You have due dates, upcoming, and completed tasks. You can set reminders for due dates if you want right here as you go along the way. At the bottom is going to be the cases where it's a tool to manage and track HR-related issues such as grievances or disciplinary cases, employee complaints, incident reports, and resolutions. Now, this is going to be very helpful because it ensures proper documentation and tracking of all HR concerns. If you want to start a new case, for example, let's try to select the Abby Morgan. All right, for summary, let's say, for example, this is going to be that status is going to be open, not closed, and click on save. So you have created your open case. All right, so let's move this for now. Let's click on save. We have successfully created a case here. Now, the authorizations is a section, all right, where you can approve requests like leave time off, expense approvals, workflow-based requests, and a lot more. Timesheet, logbook, and expenses. So there's a lot that you can work here. If you want, you can put some information here, but this is going to be like a section for that. The expenses is going to be quite obvious and it's self-explanatory because this section allows employees to submit and track expense claims and HR or finance teams to approve them. You can upload your receipts here, categorize expenses, and managing reimbursement approvals. But before you can unlock all the expense, you might want to click the Buy People HR now because we're using the free trial. We're not going to be able to utilize and unlock all the features. We're going to deal with this later, but let's move on to the report section because this is kind of helpful because it's a tool that provides insights into various HR metrics, including absence. All right. You have an option here for the highest versus lowest earners. All right. And all the information right here. Now, HR teams can generate and analyze data to support business decisions. For example, salary by job role. If you want to click that, you can use the currency right here and click on launch. All right. You can change report or convert it to PDF depending on your preferences. Right. So these are going to be a handy feature for the HR team. If you go along to the notifications, it's kind of like a real-time alert system wherein it keeps users informed about all the approvals needed, like leave, expenses, upcoming deadlines, and company announcements, or changes to employer records or policies. All right, you can select the dates here from yesterday, previous month, next month, and you can custom filter and apply, and you would have all this information. Now, the last section is going to be the org chart, wherein it's kind of obvious because it's a visual representation of the company structure, showing, you see, reporting lines in hierarchy, departments and teams, employee positions, and relationships. All right. This helps employees understand the team structure and reporting relationship. For example, Anna Whitehouse, Andrew Gallagher, Abby Morgan, and a lot more. You can select the orientation from top, left, right, bottom. You also have an option to clear filters, preview PDF, and a lot more. Now, the most important thing is going to be the pricing, because if you want to scale up and you get familiarize yourself with the Access People HR and you want to sure that this is going to be the platform for your company or your organization, you see that the starter comes at 3, core is at 5.50, Pro is 8, and the Elite is 9.50 per employee per month, depending on how much or how many people needs access to this platform. Right? If you go back again to the homepage, if you want to get an HR software that puts your people first, I highly suggest you click the 4-minute demo because, again, HR or Access People HR is an HR management system designed to help businesses streamline employee data, task, and reporting. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.